How to unlock Snapchat account. Hello everybody, if you are having that issue, you may follow the step. So for that, you may head over to a browser, and once you are there, type in Snapchat support in the search bar. Once you type in that, you may head over to the first link, Snapchat support, help.snapchat.com. Once you are there, you will be finding this on your screen. So from here, you may head over to the option that is my account is compromised, tap on it, and then after tapping on it, you will be taken to the space where you can submit a request. So all you gotta do is you can choose a reason why your account has been, compromised or everything. And once you have done that, you need to enter up your username of your Snapchat that you need help with. After that, email address as associated with the Snapchat account and your mobile number and how can they help with the Snapchat account. So go ahead and enter up the issue that your account is locked and you don't know how it happens. Just try convincing them it was a mistake or some those kind of things. And once that is done, they should review your request and they should probably help you unlock your Snapchat account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.